friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS TUF Gaming VG248Q1B 24-inch Full HD Gaming LCD, and friend, it offers a high speed reaction time of 0.5 millisecond, and friend, adaptive sync and FreeSync Premium supported. And friends, supported are extreme low motion blur, lowers the motion blur, shadow boost, increases dark area visibility, flicker free, suppresses screen flicker, and ultra low adjusts the blue light in 4 phases. And friend, it features blue light and refresh rate is 165 Hz, brightness is 350 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio is 1000 jam1, and viewing angle is 170 degree horizontal and 160 degree vertical. And friend, DisplayPort 1.2, HDMI 1.4, earphone jack into 1, and friend, the stand tilts from -5 to 15 degree and features a 100 into 100 mm VESA mounter. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.